Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to play with some new makeup. I'm going to try and either use brand new stuff that I haven't used before or something that I haven't used in a long time. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I do beauty, plus size fashion, vlogs, wellness, stuff like that. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so I went ahead and just grabbed a random primer out of my drawer. I don't know if I've ever used this on my channel or ever even used this. There's some foundation on it, so hopefully I have. So this is the Hourglass Ambient Light Correcting Primer in Luminous Light. I'll try and use mostly drugstore. I use mostly drugstore anyway. I just have some higher end stuff still in my collection. That's what it looks like. I've got a little bit, my hands are just terrible. I had washed my hands right after I tanned, so I went back in on my hands and my hands are darker than anywhere else in my body. On the tops anyway. I don't know. I've been washing them like crazy and they still look ridiculous, so bear with me. And I have not had the patience to put nails back on right now, so it is what it is. I am human. Can't be bothered. Maybe tomorrow. I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. You guys seem to enjoy the last vlog. I felt like it was super boring, but of course I'm always gonna think that because I'm me, I guess. I guess we're our own worst critics. I feel like I have a lot of things I want to talk to you guys about. Some personal stuff and just some reoccurring questions or comments that I've gotten. But I think I'm gonna save all of that. Not like dramatic, I'm not trying to be dramatic. I just want to sort my thoughts, I guess. So we're gonna use some Revolution Pro stuff today. I know you're shocked. Well, some Revolution family, which means Makeup Revolution / Revolution, whatever you want to call it. Revolution Pro, XX Revolution, stuff like that. I Heart Revolution. But I think we'll try this guy out today. This is the Revolution Pro CC Cream. Mine is an F1. I'm probably gonna have to add a darker foundation in. Because I am, like I said, you can see my neck. Obviously washing my face and skincare has faded my face. There's still a little bit tan on there though. I'm a little bit darker than I normally am. This foundation mixed in just a tiny bit with my regular one, I have found gets me the best overall match. So the tone of Conceal and Hydrate in F12, I'm sure any Revolution foundation, this is just the one I had still in a darker shade that the tone seemed to match. We're gonna mix a tiny bit of that in with this guy. Just gonna try and do like the tiniest, So once I'm more fair, I'll try this foundation / CC cream again, just so we can get a better read on it because obviously I'm mixing something else into it. I'm just using a Shot Miss A sponge. I'm just gonna blend this out. Actually, I think we're gonna be good. I think it's like, what time is it? 3 o'clock. It took me a while to get up the gusto to come film today. And I gotta edit. I gotta film, edit, and upload all today. I gotta stop procrastinating. Oh, look at that dew though. Oh, you guys. Okay, I have to say for a CC cream, because normally hydrating foundations, I don't really love them on my skin. I really like this. Now it looks pretty good. I like being dewy. Dewy. Let's use the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. Mine is in Nude Ivory. Just gonna blend that out again. See, I haven't used this Halo Glow setting powder yet from e.l.f. Mine is in light. I'm gonna put a little bit on. I don't normally set my whole face. This is a big old brush. Let's see. I'm just gonna put a light layer on. Ooh. Okay. I really like that because it kind of kept the glow or gave me a glow, but also set. Ooh, yeah, I like it. I like it. For powder especially. Girl. I'm gonna try this Ofra brow pencil in Universal. Oh, she is pigmented. We're just gonna have some bold brows today. Really soft. I like a much drier formula because I like to go kind of slow because I like more natural brows. I can live with a bold brow once I brush these out. I'm gonna use the soap styler from Revolution again just to kind of brush them out. I literally just rubbed my beauty blender on here. That's where we're at. I've really been liking this guy. You know what I am so excited for, you guys? I bet you can't guess. If you've been around for a while, you're not gonna be surprised. Freaking Halloween. At Home already has Halloween stuff. I have not been out to At Home, but I have seen the store At Home. I've seen pictures. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till like Michael's gets stuff. I'm gonna have to actually leave my house because when Halloween comes around, my serotonin levels just like skyrocket. I am not even joking. Halloween just like, I don't know why, but it just brings me joy. It just brings me joy. And we could all use a little bit of joy right now. You know what I'm saying? I will never look at these lines above my eyebrows the same since I heard Jordan Shrinks. Hey girl, if you're watching this, I love you. Talk about how she had fat on her forehead and that's why she had those, and I didn't know that for so long, and now like obviously that's so obvious, but you know, that's fine. We're doing what we can. Guys, I'm in a mood today. I'm in a mood. I think you guys can tell this brow is definitely darker than the other brow. I want to contour. This table is so in the way of my bronzer drawer, so don't hate me. I think I'm gonna use a combination of these two because I feel like being extra. This is the Shop Missy AOA Perfect Powder in Chestnut, and this is the Guize, I think is how you say it, Face FX palette. This one's a good, more kind of bronzy shade, and this one's more actual contour. It's darker. Just gonna go with a tiny bit of this, keeping it further back on my face. Oh, that was too much, but that's okay. My hair will probably cover most of it anyway. Number one requested palette for me to use first out of my Revolution haul was the Turkish Delight palette. So we're going to try this guy out today. The only thing I feel like I want to use this liner today. I don't know, I'm feeling it. So we'll see how this goes. This could be tragic, but it doesn't matter. We're not leaving our house today. It could be wonderful. We never know. This is what she looks like. And we're gonna start with T, which is this guy right here. I didn't prime. Whoops, I was gonna prime my eyes. Look at me, look at me. That's not right, where is it? I wanted to try this guy out today. Let's try this guy out. This is it doesn't want to focus, but it's the e.l.f. Putty Primer in white. The secret I found is you just have to like really warm it up because it's putty. So you gotta warm it up. Yes, okay, now we're really gonna go back into this palette and we're gonna use T. This is the B. Ooh, that's a lot. You are up close and personal. Does she smell? Doesn't really smell like chocolate, this one, but I guess it's Turkish Delight, so I don't know. I like this shade though. I know it's just like a regular transition shade, but I like how it's blending. I'm gonna put that same shade under here. I'm gonna take a little bit of Roses, this pink. I don't even know what brush this is, where it came from, but that's what we're down to. Let's just do your thing. I'm just gonna kind of pop it on and then blend it out. I think I want to try and use Pomegranate, even though she's shimmery. So I'm just gonna pop that out here and just kind of slowly layer it up to create a little more depth. This is not the direction I thought we were going today, but this is where we're at. I don't know how I feel about this right now, but I'm just gonna keep going and just keep putting stuff on my face, I guess. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and just kind of clean up the center of the lid. I think before I put lemon down, I'm gonna take a little bit of pistachio just on my fingertip and tap it on the center of the lid. Whoa, that was way more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. Just so I can kind of blend the edges a little bit. That pistachio. I look like a watermelon. I look like a watermelon, like a reverse watermelon right now. I think I might take just the tiniest bit of mint because it is one of the darker shades in the palette and pop it out here. Maybe mix it with pomegranate. It's gonna be a weird mixture, but I think we can make it work. I just like more depth on the outer corner. I just don't like my eye shape personally. When I do halo eyes, I just don't feel like it's flattering. So I think even if I just add a little depth on both sides, I think it'll feel better. So the glitter glue that is closest to me is this super old, super old Lime Crime one. Any glitter glue will do. Revolution actually has one and I really like that one. And I'm just gonna lightly tap it over this whole area. I think I'm gonna start with my fingertip and I'm just gonna go into that lemon shade. Okay, I kind of want to blend pistachio into the inner corner. Just a little bit, just right in here. Alright, I think I want to go ahead and go in with the liner because I don't know. I'm hoping that's gonna save this. Lashes and liner fix everything, right? This is the Renaissance Flick in Blue from Revolution, obviously. That's what the blue liner looks like. I actually like it. I really feel like I just want to deepen out the outer corner just a little bit more, and I don't think that any of the shades in this palette are dark enough, so let me see what I've got. I'm gonna pop into this guy. This is Euphoria, Revolution Reloaded, and just use a tiny, tiny bit of that black. I'm trying to go slow because I don't want it to be overwhelming. I just want it to look blended, and it's just looking a little muddy with that shade combination because it's a dark shimmery green and it's just not doing what I want it to do. So any black shadow, obviously. Okay, I think I'm gonna put on some lashes. Oh, these ones right here in this pack are just the same pair from Shein that I just kind of trimmed the inner corner. I learned it from Taylor Wen. She just cuts it like, when I cut my bangs, I cut like this. You just cut the lashes like that. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really just this pair, and I trimmed the inner corner because my eyes are hooded, and I just feel like it looks better with a more tapered lash than like a fully voluminous lash from outer corner to inner corner. So I'm just gonna pop those on and I'll be right back. All right, loves, this is what we are looking at. I feel like lashes make everything look better. I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit of this blush on. I'm just gonna use the peachy side. This is Strong from I Heart Revolution. Maybe I'll mix a little bit. Mostly the peach side though. So glowy. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try and use this jelly highlighter from e.l.f. I'm a little nervous because I already have like powder. I already have everything on my face, but I might have to use it as like a base. I don't know. We'll see how, we'll see. This is in Bubbly. I'll never get over how jiggly this is. It's actually just gonna tap some off the lid. Try and use my finger. Probably be smarter to do this like right after your foundation before you set anything, unlike me who actually set everything. I'm gonna try doing it with just a sponge. Might be, oh wow, okay. That might be the way to go. It's not like lifting everything up though. Ooh, that's intense though. I like it. Let's try this guy because we tried the peachy one last time. So let's do the White Rose highlighter from not I Heart Revolution, Revolution Pro. I'll never get over this packaging. It's so pretty. Just gonna pop it on top. So it's already looking so much more blended. Just gonna pile it on because that's what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my inner corner highlight, which per usual is the AOA Pigment. I almost said powder pigment, whatever, in Orb. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves lip liner, and then I'm gonna use the Revolution Chauffeur, what are you, Velvet Kiss Lip Crayon, Luna. I'm just gonna kind of fill in my lips a little bit with concealer to lighten them and neutralize the color of my lips. I'm gonna try out this guy. Wow, this is a look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough from I Heart Revolution. It's one of my favorite glosses of life. It smells so good. It is so perfect with Chauffeur. Finish this off. I'm just gonna add a little bit of Face Fix from XX Revolution. Why are you crazy? That's a lot of highlight. That's a lot of highlight even for me, but that's okay. All right, loves. This is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I honestly enjoyed literally everything that I tried in this video. I'm super impressed with that CC cream. The primer was nice. The new jelly highlight was nice. The other highlight from Revolution Pro was nice. I like the palette. I think I just went a little too ambitious for me, but I still kind of like it. I think once I have the liner and lashes on, I really do like it. I enjoy the liner. I feel like this is going to be so cute with like a very neutral eye and then just a bold blue wing. I love having just like a bright wing with like a very neutral eye. But I thought I'd do something a little bit more fun today. Put a few more things on. I've been dying to use this glitter. Really like this formulation of Chauffeur. It's really, really nice. I can't wait to wear this all the time. The eye primer, really enjoyed the e.l.f. Putty eye primer. I already knew I liked it, but I do really enjoy the white one. I feel like the white one's gonna be a better fit for me. Oh, that e.l.f. powder, the Halo Glow powder. Oh my goodness, so good. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm glad that this went well. I feel like a lot of these lately haven't gone that well, so I'm glad that this one went well. But I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Let me know what kind of look you want to see next. Let me know what palette you would like to see in a video next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Always. I always have this freaking narrow shoulders. My neck. Oh, they're always like all. Anyone else losing their minds? Are you losing your mind like me? Why I'm gonna put it back in the container, but I am. Do you ever just like completely lose your mind and you have no idea what's going on? That's me right now. Doing what we can, and no matter what, people gonna talk shit. Even though I put the soap. Bye, foundation. It's with the baby, with the tiny. It's with the baby, tiny. Granite is popping. Why are you guys being tiny turds? Why are you being a turd? Why are you digging and everything, Luna? I am glowy. Oh my gosh, I may have put a little too much highlight. A little too much, maybe? Is there such thing?